Let's take a quick look at our amazing planet, Earth. Ever wondered why some parts of the Earth rise high, while others stay deep underwater? In this video, we'll explore exactly that. Good day everyone! I am Aaron Paul S. Rosal from Grade 8 Tarbon C, and today, I will explain why are continents higher than oceans. Come on, let's learn together! But before we dive in, let's look at the Earth's surface. About 71% of our planet is covered by water, and only 29% is land. Water includes oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, glaciers, and even atmospheric water. Meanwhile, land forms continents, mountains, plains, and deserts. All of this sits on the Earth's outer shell, the lithosphere. The top layer of the lithosphere is called the crust, which has two types, the continental crust and the oceanic crust. The first type is called the continental crust, which is where our continents rest. It is thick, about 30 to 70 kilometers, and surprisingly lightweight because it is mostly made of granite, a light igneous rock. But where does granite come from? Granite forms from magma deep inside the Earth. Even though magma is heavy, as it slowly rises and cools, it solidifies into lighter rock instead of erupting. This thick, light crust forms mountains, forests, deserts, and plains. And some rocks here are billions of years old, which gives our continent their long history. Under the ocean lies the oceanic crust, which is much thinner, about 5 to 10 kilometers, and denser because it is mostly made of basalt. Being thin and heavy, it sinks lower, which forms ocean basins where water collects. The oceanic crust is also much more younger than the continental crust, constantly forming at mid-ocean ridges and being recycled at subduction zones. Let's compare the two crusts. Density. Continental crust is made of granite, which is light, while oceanic crust is made of basalt, which is heavier. Because continental crust is lighter, it floats higher on the semi-molten mantle below it, just like a piece of wood floats higher than a rock in water. This floating balance is called isostasy. Thickness. Continental crust is thick, 30 to 70 kilometers, while oceanic crust is thin, 5 to 10 kilometers. Thicker and lighter crust rises higher, while thinner and heavier crust sinks lower. Water fills the low areas. Since oceanic crust sits lower, rain and river water collect in these deep areas over time, forming oceans, while the higher continental crust remains above the water. And that's it! I hope you learned something new. Padayon!